Hi, this is Riri Trivedi from Wellness Space. Today I am going to talk about anxiety in the time of lockdown and what are the ways that you can manage it. So what is anxiety? Anxiety is essentially when there are excessive negative thoughts about future. When there are a lot of fearful thoughts that about something that you fear will happen in the future but it has not yet happened. Now let us understand how anxiety can manifest in your mind, body and energy systems. At a mind level, like I said, when you have anxiety, there are too many thoughts that you cannot control. It's almost like uncontrollable thoughts which are of a negative nature. At a body level, when there is anxiety, the blood pressure goes up, heart rate goes up, palpitations increase, there is sweating, the muscles sometimes get tensed up, people experience digestive issues. Primarily, when people are working from home in the time of lockdown, the causes of anxiety are multifold. Many people are forced to stay at home where the home environment could be very toxic and dysfunctional, abusive, oftentimes filled with domestic violence. For women, in the time of lockdown, they have to manage the housework as well as office work, and oftentimes it is very difficult to switch between both. Now let us understand what are the techniques or how we can manage this anxiety. Over our last 10 years of practice, we have worked with lots of cases related to anxiety, depression and panic attacks. And there are a variety of methods at the mind, body and energy level which we can use in order to deal with anxiety. Some of them are mindfulness, pranayam, breathing, meditations, EFT, tapping techniques, self-hypnosis, so on and so forth. But today I am going to talk about one technique that is very, very simple and it can be used by anybody. It is a well-researched technique used by HeartMath Institute and it is called coherent breathing technique. It is very simple. The science behind the technique is that when you breathe in a coherent pattern, in a rhythmic pattern, your heartbeat follows a rhythm. And when your heartbeat is rhythmic, then automatically the signals that go to your brain also are coherent. And when the brain signals are coherent, that is when the entire body system, your hormones, your endocrine system all go into a state of balance, thereby bringing you in a state of deeper relaxation and helping you to manage anxiety. So here is how we do coherent breathing. You can close your eyes, put your hand near your heart center because you're again connecting to your heart, focusing on your heart. And as you breathe in to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is how I can demonstrate it to you, and you will be able to see how my heart rate goes up when I inhale, goes down when I exhale, and when it is in a rhythm, the heart follows a coherence. As you can see, I have been hooked on to a device which measures my heart rate over here, and it also shows me my level of coherence. When you do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, it's going to automatically help you to bring down your anxiety. So take care, stay safe, and do some self-care techniques to manage your stress and anxiety while you're working from home. All the best.